Hey there, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Wanted to give you an update. Confirmed tornado in Rome, New York, and it was a very big one, at least for upstate New York standards. Here's where it happened, literally right in the city of Rome, which is right here. It formed right on the west side and made its way across Griffiths Air Force Base, which, by the way, actually had a B-52 bomber moved off its stanchion. It was on display. It got moved. That's how strong this tornado was. Nearly an EF-3. This had 135 mile per hour sustained winds. EF-3 is 136, so it was very close to that. And it was the biggest tornado in Oneida County in central New York since 1983 in Boonville, which is north of Rome. They had a big tornado there, but boy, it's been almost 2 generations that something happened like that. And boy, there was just a lot of damage, as you can read there on the screen. Wanted to show you the velocity and correlation coefficient of what it looked like on radar. You notice here on the radar a couple of things. This is the velocity. So you see how tight this couplet is right here. You've got very, very strong winds moving in one direction this way and curling in and moving in this direction. You can almost see everything of that circulation right in through here. This is a correlation coefficient which just looks at things falling from the sky, which usually are uniform like rain, which is why everything is in one color in here. We're going to take you to the next scan here. Besides the velocities, which are obviously still there, you see this little blue dot? You'll be able to even see it better on the next frame here. This is a correlation coefficient drop. It's actually showing a debris ball, which means the radar is seeing not just raindrops and or hail, it's actually seeing big debris being lofted up into the air, and the radar is picking that up. Incredible stuff. It is very unusual to have this kind of thing happen across upstate New York. Did want to show you, though, some beauty after destruction. Unfortunately, the picture there, you can see a church, the steeple knocked off, and a good chunk of the roof, but a gorgeous sunset nearly 27 hours after the fact of the tornado destruction in Rome. Thank goodness no one was killed in Rome, although there was a fatality in a different thunderstorm in Canastota, New York.